After a losing trade, most traders do the worst thing possible. They jump right back in, not because they want the money back, because they don't want to be wrong. Here's what I do instead.
So if you're on TradingView, I'm kind of looking at my other screen right now. If you're on TradingView, one thing you can do, like I mentioned before, by trading a dummy account, you could trade whichever account platform you're on, but I'm going to use TradingView as an example. So for this one, you just simply go here and you're gonna connect another broker. I already have it on paper trading. These are all the brokers. You got Ninja Trader, Trader8, AMP, and whichever trader platform you use, they have paper trading. But I'm using TradingView as an example. So I would click this, and on the bottom, as you can see clearly, it says trade paper trading. And for an account like this, like I mentioned, when you lose on your real account and the frustration is there, the revenge trading is there, and you just want to get your money back. But most time it's just your emotions get out of the way. If you find yourself you can't walk away and you want to be right, it's our human nature to want to be right. It's unfortunate in trading it does not work in this field because the market just says your trade is invalidated when it doesn't work out, and we should just walk away, accept the loss, and look towards another setup. But what you can do, there's a paper trading account. Let's say I think this is supposed to go long, right? For whatever reason, and I'm gonna hit the long button. I'm gonna hit. I know it's 40 contracts. I don't usually do that much, but I'm using this as an example. Well, lo and behold, this might end up working in my favor, right? But that's the whole point. The whole point is sometimes it satisfies the dopamine rush. It satisfies the need to be right. It just satisfies our human emotion. And what this does is it gives us that high. It gets rid of the cortisol, the stress level. It helps us accept the win. And what's really happening is that your real account is safe from you. This what this does. It keeps you from, like, look at this. It's going 200, negative 200. This was my real account or your real account, you would be losing this trade because you think it has to keep going up. Or in another case, it has to keep going down. But the whole point of this little exercise is to show you to trade your dummy account. Sign in to one of your brokers. If you already have, like, let's say if you're on Top Step, if you have a blown account, then use the blown account to trade on when you want a revenge trade. Now, granted, sometimes the trade that you enter end up working, and you're gonna wish that it was your real account. But that's not the point. The point is to exercise that revenge trade. If you and because I know many of you are new traders, so that's one way you get it out your system without blowing up another account. And if it works out, good. After that, you'll be calm. You'll be able to go back to your regular charts, your regular account with a cool head. That's what I do. And when I've done that, I've learned to walk away to accept some losses. But when my emotions really get out of hand, when I feel like, oh, I'm right about this, it's human nature. I can't deny it. So therefore, I open up either I come here and because I do trade TPT on here, not on TraderVate. I do like TraderVate, but I usually because I do most of my charting on this. So I come here and I go to the paper trade account here, sign into the broker. Like I said, connect on the broker, and whatever broker you want to use, you could sign out of your real broker account, whichever it is, and then sign into the paper trading account just to blow off some steam. Just to blow off some steam, because you know you want to be right and you know the trade's going to work. But then in hindsight, you're going to get all that emotion out of your system. So by the time you get back in the chart, you'll be cool. You'll be like, you know what? I got this out the way. It's almost like you want to throw your mouse or punch a wall or anything like that, but you don't do those things. Your frustration is there. So therefore you exercise it here. You get it out here. And then when you're calm, you stop. Peace.
Revenge trade your paper account, not your real one. The BMM Blueprint. The link is in the bio. Grab it. It will help you a whole lot. Thank you, Samuel.